On the news tonight, court grants former Kaduna State Governor Nasir El-Rufai 100 million naira bail over alleged national security breach. APC announces final results of House of Representatives primaries in Ogun State. 7 new Islamic chiefs installed and turbaned at Ijebu Ode Central Mosque. Hello and welcome to the news at 7 on Nta Ijebu Ode. I am Ifeoluwa Ashalu. Thank you for joining us this evening. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has assured that efforts are ongoing to rescue victims abducted by gunmen during an attack on schools in Orire local government area of Oyo State. The president, in a statement by his special advisor on information and strategy, Bayo Ononuga, also condemned the reported killing of one of the abducted teachers, describing the act as barbaric. President Tinubu sympathized with Governor Seyi Makinde, the people of Oyo State and families of the victims over the unfortunate incident, assuring them that the federal government supports in the ongoing rescue operations. The president commended security agencies for their swift response and deployment of tactical and intelligence teams to secure release of the victims and apprehend those responsible for the attack. He also stressed the need for the establishment of state police to strengthen security across underserved communities in the country. The 2026 ordinary session of the ECOWAS Parliament has ended in Abuja with far-reaching recommendations brought forward to engender child protection and democratic stability in the sub-region. ECOWAS Parliament correspondent Mohamed Rabi Ali tells us more.
Thousands of children across West Africa are roaming the street, exposed to violence and sexual abuse that resulted in their vulnerability. At the end of the session, the Parliament adopted some resolutions urging member states to take preventive and coordinated actions to protect street children and end child exploitation. In the same vein, the Parliament adopts resolution to end escalating terrorism in sub-region, citing Mali April 25th multiple terrorist attacks which claimed the lives of Defense Minister General Sadio Kamara, his family members, among other security threats.
In the context of finalizing these draft pacts, we called upon the ECOWAS Commission to take into account our recommendation, particularly with regards to enhancing the powers of our parliament, enhancing democratic oversight, and promoting citizen participation.
The resolution also condemns the destabilizing impact of terrorism in the Sahel and the West African region, undermining democratic governance, economic development, and regional integration. Speaker of the ECOWAS Parliament is mandated to transmit the document and the report of the Joint Committee to the President of the ECOWAS Commission for onward submission to the Chairman of the Council of Ministers. Muhammad Rabi Ali, NTA News.
The All Progressive Congress APC has concluded its House of Representatives primaries across the 9 federal constituency in Ogun State, with 2 women emerging as the party's candidates out of the 9 tickets for the House of Representatives election. The chairman of the National Assembly APC Primaries Committee, Philip Shahib, officially announced the results at the APC Secretariat in Abeokuta. Lekon Agbonde reports.
The primaries witnessed large turnout of delegates and party faithful across the constituencies, with some candidates emerging through consensus arrangements, while others secured victory through keenly contested ballots. In Abeokuta North, Odeda and Obafemi Owode Federal Constituency, Olumide Oshoba emerged the party's consensus candidates. At the Abeokuta South Federal Constituency, Afuakpe Afolabi clinched victory to emerge as the APC candidate, while in Remo Federal Constituency, Funmi Efuakpe secured the party's ticket following the conclusion of voting. The Ijebu Central Federal Constituency primary produced Razak Dada as winner after defeating other aspirants in the contest. The party also adopted consensus arrangements in some constituencies, producing Larry Bashoru for Ado-Oduota Federal Constituency, Moturayo Adejata Adeleye for Ifo-Ewekoro Federal Constituency, and Boyega Nasir Isiaka for Yewa North Imekwa for Federal Constituency. Similarly, Toyin Taiwo emerged victorious in Yewa South Ipokia Federal Constituency, while Joseph Adegbeson secured the APC ticket for Ijebu North, Ijebu East, and Ogun Waterside Federal Constituency.
You can see that even with one or two skirmishes, I think that was in Ogun Waterside, we were still able to resolve an election took place. So that shows that APC in Ogun State and APC in the country is growing from strength to strength, and we are getting united on a daily basis.
Party leaders commended members for the peaceful conduct of the primaries, describing the exercise as a demonstration of internal democracy and unity within the APC ahead of the general election. In Abeokuta, Lekan Agbonde, NTA News.
This is the news at 7 on Nta Ijebu Ode. We'll be going on a short break now. Please stay tuned.
Nta Ijebu Ode, your heritage station.
Nigeria Television Authority, Nta Ijebu Ode Heritage Station, a station that updates you on latest information, news, people day-to-day activities. We promote Nigeria culture. We bring to you educative program and talk shows for young and old. We give you latest updates from the world of sports. We also bring to you updates from the entertainment world. We are the best among the rest. We are available on StarTimes Channel 103 and UHF 63.
Nta Ijebu Ode, your heritage station.
Welcome back and thanks for rejoining us. The Chief Imam in Council of Ijebu Ode Central Mosque has installed and turbaned 7 new Islamic chiefs in recognition of their contributions to the growth of Islam and service to humanity. The event, which took place at the Ijebu Ode Central Mosque, brought together religious leaders, dignitaries and members of the Muslim community across Ijebu Ode axis. Correspondents who covered the event at the mosque premises report that guest lecturer Sheikh Abdusalam Olalekon admonished the newly installed chiefs and other Muslim faithful to remain steadfast in supporting the cause of Islam and promoting peaceful coexistence. Her report. The installation and turbaning ceremony of the new chiefs brought together dignitaries within and outside the Ijebu Ode Muslim community. In their addresses, Chairman Ijebu Ode Central Mosque Ceremonial Committee, Alhaji Musliu Mustafa, alongside the Commissioner for Finance and Chief Economic Advisor to the Ogun State Government, who was also the chairman of the occasion, Honorable Ladapo Okubadejo, highlighted the responsibilities of service to Allah and unwavering commitment to humanities.
Muslims who are dutiful to the cause of Islam. So the significance of the installation is to honor them and to appreciate them as well.
It is a ground of responsibility, not privilege, and it's a symbol of accountability, not vanity. As these honorable honorees are turbaned today, we are reminded that leadership in Islam is amana.
Guest lecturer Sheikh Abdusalam Olalekon and other dignitaries urged the newly installed chiefs and esteemed Muslim faithful to persist in supporting Allah's noble work.
Because they have been very steadfast, they have actually demonstrated commitment, they have supported Islam. On occasions like this, they are always giving honor, and that's why we have this installation.
People are selected. They don't apply for chieftaincy. The chieftaincy committee of the Central Mosque will look at people who are found worthy through their pedigree of honesty, trustworthiness, commitment to Islam, practice of Islam.
Some newly installed chiefs expressed gratitude and promised to continue supporting the Ijebu Ode Central Mosque Muslim community.
We are given this position to always assist the Muslim community and its developmental program, and by God's grace we will not fail.
I cherish it because it has to do with godly endeavor, and anything that has to do with godly endeavor will always have immense benefit for humanity.
The installation ceremony also featured the decoration, turbaning and presentation of certificates, as well as donation of solar panels for the illumination of the mosque environment. In Ijebu Ode, Ifeoluwa Shalu, NTA News. To appreciate individuals contributing to the advancement of Islam, authorities of the Ijebu Ode Central Mosque have conferred the title of Otun Saraki Adini of Alhaji Taofeek Adekunle Aliyu. Fatima Hassan reported that the event, which took place at Ijebu Ode Central Mosque, also featured donations towards the development of the mosque and other religious activities. Her report.
That was Alhaji Adekunle Taofeek Aliyu being installed and turbaned as the Otun Saraki Adini of the Ijebu Ode Muslim community by Ijebu Ode Central Mosque. The chairman of the occasion, who is also the chief economic advisor to the Ogun State government, Mr. Dapo Okubadejo, in his speech, stressed the need for diligence, accountability, and service to humanity in all spheres of life. Mr. Dapo Okubadejo and the guest lecturer, Sheikh Ahmad Abdusalam, urged the newly installed chief to remain steadfast and be committed to the propagation of Islam and community development for him to get divine rewards from Allah.
The turban in Islam tradition is not merely an ornament. It represents scholarship, dignity, moral discipline, and devotion to the service of Allah and His people. It is a crown of responsibility, not privilege, and is a symbol of accountability, not vanity.
Speaking with newsmen, the new chief, his family members and friends commended the leadership of the mosque for the honor bestowed on him and described the recognition as well deserved.
I pledge that I will never let them down. I will improve on my religious activities. I will make sure that when it's come to me and my Almighty Allah, I will never disappoint my Allah.
He has been doing the work of Islam for quite a long time. And I know as he has been given this award now, this new title, he will be able to do more. More for his community, more for Al-Islam, and general society at large.
The title given to him today is based on his activeness, dedication, and commitment to the religion of Allah.
A reception was later held at the Alhaja Salamatu Kuku Memorial Library within the Ijebu Ode Local Government Secretariat, where guests were entertained with sumptuous meals and music. The Otun Saraki Adini of Ijebu Ode Central Mosque, Alhaji Adekunle Taofeek Aliyu, is an alumnus of Ijebu Muslim College, Ijebu Ode, and currently serves as a chief superintendent with the Nigerian Immigration Service, Ikeja Command, Lagos. In Ijebu Ode, Fatima Hassan, Nta News.
And that concludes our news for tonight on Nta Ijebu Ode. Thank you so much for watching. Good night.